All right, welcome back, everybody. Pretty nice sunset out there this evening, or at least at this vantage point. The Highwood Mountains were covered with a little cloud cover, even a few flakes of snow earlier, but now you can see the clouds have cleared on out. 37 degrees in Great Falls right now, and the temperature in the city is kind of gone back and forth as we've got an Arctic boundary that is wavering through the area. We're up in the 30s earlier today, then dropped back into the 20s. Now we're back up to 37 degrees on the heels of southwest winds at about 14 miles per hour. There's that boundary. Look at Lewistown up at 34 degrees. 14 though, still in the cold air up around Cup Bank. Havre at 25, 19 in Glasgow. It's a little warmer than the last couple of days around Glasgow. We've got some warmer temperatures down to the south into the 30s. Not very warm, but numbers getting closer to average here. Some pretty gusty winds around Livingston, also down around Dillon and Butte. And east wind, still kind of a cold direction around Glasgow and parts of the Highline, Havre and Cup Bank. Mentioned a little in the way of some flakes of snow around the Highwoods. It was this little disturbance, maybe in the Bear Paw Mountains and the Little Rockies could see a few flakes of snow, but not a lot of activity unless you head down towards Monida Pass and Reynolds Pass here, heading to around the Island Park area close to West Yellowstone. That's where there's a winter weather advisory for areas closer to the Idaho border and Yellowstone National Park under a winter weather advisory. And this big storm really hitting California very hard. Blizzard warnings for the Cascades. Little system moving through the eastern part of the country. Here's what will happen. So don't really expect much of any snow with that little disturbance moving across the north central part of the state here this evening. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies to start, becoming partly cloudy though by the afternoon. Now Friday we could have a little snow up on the Rocky Mountain front in the morning hours, and then heading a little later on in the day, it's more the south central and central areas that could see some snow. So generally south and southeast of Great Falls, a little better chance at seeing some of that snow out there around Lewistown, Judith Basin County, picking up some of that snow as well. A weak area of low pressure moving eastward through the state into Saturday morning. By Saturday afternoon, we're partly cloudy, we're breezy and fairly mild. Sunday, it's the final day of January, and it will be a mild end to the month with temperatures up into the 40s under partly cloudy skies. February starts off fairly mild, but February 2nd, Groundhog Day, great holiday. That will be, for meteorologists at least, likely have some snow coming through Tuesday, then again Wednesday here, which could accumulate a little bit. So accumulation for the time being held down there around Monida Pass and also up in the extreme northwest part of Montana through Friday night and Saturday, maybe an inch out across the south central part of the state. But getting into next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, a little better chance of maybe getting some accumulation finally here into the lower elevations east of the divide. For tonight, a little warmer in Great Falls, a little colder up closer to the High Line and the Canadian border. Single digits and teens there. 20s in Lewistown, you're kind of in the warm sector, and teens and 20s down around the capital. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. 20s and 30s. Great Falls likely getting up into the lower 40s. How about Winifred up to 44 degrees? Holding on to some of that cold air in northeast Montana. There's Lewistown popping into the 40s, and the Helena area into the 30s and the 40s as well. Here's the 7-day forecast, and up to 42 tomorrow. A little stronger southwest wind. Some snow showers Friday afternoon, Friday night into Saturday morning, south and southeast of Great Falls, and a better chance for some snow come Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.